Good morning, students. Today we are going to see a new lesson, Sunita in Space. That is, her full name is Sunita Williams. She went to space and she is going to share her experience to the children. See from the straight from your heart, you can draw your globe and you can point out the earth and where you are there. Next, there is a discussion between Uzaria and Zamir. They are discussing about the globe and space. Uzaria is saying that, do you know that Sunita Williams is visiting our school tomorrow? I have heard that she has spent more than 6 months in space. Like that, Uzaria is asking. For that, Samir is replying, look here, here is America, Africa, then where is space? Like that, pointing out the globe, and he is asking. Uzair is saying, the sky, stars, sun, and moon, they are all in space only. Samir, yes, I know. Sunita Williams went in a spaceship, and that I saw on TV that she could see the earth from there. Yes, from there, the earth looked like this globe only. So Shamir is saying, if our earths look like this globe, then where are we? Uzaria takes a pen and places it on the globe. See here, placing it on the globe. Here we are. This is India. For that, Samir is saying, if we were here like this, then we would fall off, no? How we are standing in the earth? How it is possible? See, this is our globe. If you are inside, then where is the sky, sun, moon and stars? We went on the globe and all the seas and oceans must also be on the globe. On the globe only, all the seas, oceans and every place is present. Samir is pointing towards the lower part of the globe. You mean to say that one stays here, no one stays here. That is lower part, no one will stay. Upper part only everyone stays, like that saying. People live here also living. Brazil and Argentina people are here. Or the people standing upside down. Why don't these people fall off like that? He's asking. Yes, it looks strange, isn't it? And this blue part must be the sea. Why does not the sea water fall off? Sea is falling off. No, it is not falling off. It's running off. Now it's a discussion with Sunita. When Sunita Williams came to India, thousands of children like Uzair and Zamir got a chance to meet her. Sunita says that her friend Kalpana Chawla wanted to come to India and meet children. She came to India to fulfill Kalpana's dream. My friend name is Kalpana Chawla. She also very interested to see you all. To fulfill her dream, I have come here to visit you, like that Sunita is saying. Sunita's experience of living in space she is sharing. See the picture she have took on the place. We could not sit at one place. We kept floating in the spaceship from one end to another. Water too does not stay at one place. Is it no like that only? Blobs means it's just nothing. It's like a droplet, like bubbles. It floats around. It won't stay in the space. We won't stay as it is. We will be floating. To wash our face or hands, we had to catch these blobs and wet paper with them. We ate very differently there. The real fun was when all of us would flow into the dining area of the spaceship and catch the floating food packets. Food packets will be floating, it won't stay in the place, and it is very, very fun to us, like that she is saying. In space, there was no need to use a comb and her hair was kept standing all the time. How it will be very nice, no, for us also. If there is no chance to comb, we will be feeling very happy, like Sunita Williams, no. Not being able to walk, we had to get used to floating around. We had to learn to do simple things differently. To stay at one place, we had to strap ourselves there. Papers also had to be stuck to the wall of the spaceship. It was lot of fun living in space, but it was also difficult. It is very fun only, but also very difficult to live in the space also, like that William is saying. Here some of the photographs. See when the flight has uh, take off, that is when a rocket has take off, that time it has been took the photo. And they are fleeting time, that is They are floating time, this one. See these pictures. Look, my hair is standing, no problem while working. Hair is standing straightly. When they took this photo, 13/12/2006, and see this is on eating time. Where is this food sandal flying off? See Sunita outside the spaceship, really in space, outside that rocket, and she is in the space now. NASA. Think of, you imagine that in your class like this, your bag and your hair, your books, pencil, and everything is floating off and not standing in a place. How does it look? And what will be your teacher doing? Where is our chalk and your pencil? It will be looking amazing, no? Isn't it? It will be amazing. Yes, on the earth, when we throw something up, it comes to. When we throw a ball up in air, it falls back because of the gravitational force, and we are able to catch it. On the earth, we don't keep floating around. When we fill a glass or bucket with water, it stays there itself. It does not flow around in bubbles, as Sunita Williams says. It is something special about the earth that makes this happen. Earth pulls everything towards itself because of the gravitational force. Sunita Williams actually went 360 kilometers away from the earth in the spaceship. Think how far this would be. Find out which town or city you are present, about 360 kilometers away from where you live. That much distance she traveled from the earth to the space. And you can imagine that how you know, say why Sunita's hair kept standing. What is the reason for that? Think why water flows downwards on any slope, on mountains, to water flows downwards, not upwards. You have to think the reason and you can write it. Okay, students, a remaining thing we will see in the next class related to this topic. Which one I thought, I'll ask the Google form test. Just attend it right well. All the best for you. Okay, students, we'll meet in the next class.